Coach, difficult last year for you tonight, definitely, but where the performance is concerned, it looks a good one. What's your thought on the game?
Hey, I must say thumbs up to my team. Well done to STATHS. You know, it's an end-to-end action.
Yeah.
A very intense and hard game today. We first half we created a few chances. You know, just unlucky we never scored. The second half again we created some and you know still never got a score sheet. STATS score and you know and won the game. But definitely I must say we are looking forward to the next game. The next one is very, very important.
Playing up against a lethal team like this, how important is that you take your chances when you get them?
Yeah, you have to score. You know, we have to score when they play in game like this. You know, if you don't score, then you know you're gonna get on the back burner at all times. But I'm definitely, I must say thumbs up to my team. They really run hard today and we have very good performance.
According to the group or the group structure right now, you're still in a good position where that is concerned because earlier game draw 1-1. Which means that there's still more to come from you guys. What's the thoughts going on from here?
Well, it's just a one-way street now, you know. So we have to try and get 3 points come Tuesday. Definitely, we're not looking back.
All right, coach. Let's hope it's okay.
Cool.